in English. One exercise is left in English. Mukesh starts a zoo. Okay, we have done everything. We have done question answers. We have done the explanation of the chapter also. We have done word meanings. We have done hard words. We have done reference to context also. Now one exercise was left, and we have already finished the social chapter. So in this period, we are going to do English literature. Open page number 102 of your books. Page 102 of your books. Can you see this exercise written there? Add en to the words in the box and use them correctly to complete these sentences. A yellow box is given in which few words are there: gulf, rage, circle, entangle, danger. And below that, few sentences are given. We have to choose the word from the yellow box and fill in the blank by putting en before the word. Are you getting it? We have to use en in every word which is given in the yellow box, and then we have to fill in the blanks which are given below. So let's start. First sentence says, the fish attempted to swim through the net but got dash. Which word is suiting here the best? Ans- Answer is engulf. Answer will be engulf. Gulf you have to write, and before gulf write en. So engulf. Engulf means she got trapped. She tried to swim through the net, but she got trapped. Engulf. Engulf. Gulf spelling is already given in the box. You have to add en. Exercise we are doing on page number 102. Mukesh starts a zoo exercise we are doing. First answer is engulf. The fish tried to swim through the net but got engulfed means she got trapped. She was not able to get through it. Second, his reckless driving may dash innocent lives. Danger word is already given in the box. We have to add en before it. That will make endanger. Yes, endanger. His reckless driving may endanger innocent lives. Are you writing, Agam? Okay, endanger. 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 Next, the flames dash the cafe within minutes. Entangle. 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 Rage means being uh, angry. The flames cannot get angry. The flames entangle means it covered the whole area. So the flames entangle the cafe within minutes. Within minutes, the flame covered the whole area and got spread in the whole cafe. Are you getting it? Okay. Next, the people were dashed by the decision. Now here, yes, here enraged will come. Why? Rage means not happy or angry. So we have to add en before it. That means enraged. The people were enraged by the decision. Okay, Manvi, are you writing? And who is this Bhaskar Singh? Which boy? Bhaskar Singh. No, Bhaskar Singh is not Molly. Molly, Vita, are you writing? Okay, wait. Next, the family members. Yes, Vidhi. Entangle the cafe. Entangle means it got spread all over the cafe within minutes and it covered the cafe. Yes, entangle. Okay, Vidhi? All right. Now let's come on to the fifth point. The family members dashed the doctor as soon as he stepped out of the operation theater. Now, as soon as yes, as soon as the doctor came out, everybody surrounded him. As soon as the doctor came out of the theater, everybody surrounded him, means encircle him. What? Yes, Sakshi, what happened? Who? Sing loudly. I also want to hear, then let everybody hear. Sing loudly. Chalo, we all will listen to your song. The last word is encircle. Okay? This exercise you do in your copies, English literature copies. Heading will be same which is given on top of the yellow box. Add en into the words in the box and use them correctly to complete these sentences. Then you will copy the words in the box and then you will do the sentences. Clear to everybody? Finish this before we start our EVS class. All right? Yes, Manvi. 103. No need to do. No need to do. This is not related to Mukesh chapter. It is general exercise. So no need to do. Okay.